गाइस आपको मैं एक चीज बताऊंगा, मेरे को एक बहुत अच्छा प्लेयर मिला।
Bro got a 120 Luis Diaz. Should I play head to head? Come on, let's cook. Who's this guy? Snapdragon. Bro will be home. Oh, I'm home. Let's go 170, 170, 130. You know 117, 118 player are play go. Their team is bad. Their team is so yeah, but then they play good. Ayush.
Bro, this guy hit that.
Bro has Euler Khan as his goalie.
Euler or Oliver?
Euler.
This
This centre back Olis. Oh, Ronaldo.
guy's team is not that good.
तो 114 Ronaldo खरीदेगा?
I bought it before my old account.
Yeah.
I have that account still.
No, you don't.
Yes, do I?
दिखा.
I do.
देखा?
You have it in your friends. Bro, I'm missing that Danny Olmo. I took a screenshot. Last night I saw it, I was like, heck no.
Run, Davis, run. Your sprinting ability. Cristiano Ronaldo, Sui. Alisson. Pass.
Bro, what kind of...
Pass.
Hey, today's FC Baran.
Oh yeah. Wait. After this head to head I'll do.
I'll get one player. Let's see what I get.
You'll get a 82 striker. Bet.
Bet. I got 89. Center back.
I got the same thing.
You got 82.
Portugal का ना?
Yeah.
मुझे वही मिला.
Oh, I got $1 and 500. Bro, I'm ranking my Luis Diaz right now.
Guess how many ranker points do I have?
67.
No. More.
More?
Way more.
500. 1,000.
2000.
I'm ranking up my Diaz.
125.
Damn.
तेरा अटैक बहुत अच्छा हो रहा. तुमने उससे भी कर देना फेरेन टोरिस को पागल है.
Should I?
Yes, obviously.
I don't have the money.
कितने हैं तेरे पे?
I am poor right now. I have 221. I used to have 4,000. I ranked it.
4,000 as.
But I finished on Lamine, then on Musiala. And then on Ferran Torres.
मुजियाला ब्रो डिडंट रैंक हिम 1. मुजियाला को एक बार तो कर. एक बार कर सकता है तू.
कर सकते.
हाँ.
Damn.
Was 120 Musiala. I have 120 to
The
Musiala.
only place shit is my team is my sentiment. God say 116. I sold
Free
my
kick.
Gundogan
Free kick.
119 for
Oi.
Musiala.
119 good Lugan. Yeah, both of them are same but.
But I need dribbles. Musiala has better dribbling than Lamine Yamal that I have. Lamine Yamal is trickster man. And Musiala has tiki taka.
You're better. Bro plays good, bro. Bro didn't let me score a single goal. लेकिन
No. These people play good.
117, 118. इसका 118 है बस वो भी है.
Damn.
अच्छा खेलता है.
Damn.
अगर इसमें मेरे पे स्कोर करा.
You're age
ओ भाई अच्छा वो बच गया. नहीं.
Bro, how would he score on you? How would he score on you? You're so shit. You're so shit. You're so shit. I'm not gonna lie, you're so shit. You got scored by him?
Yeah, he's him.
He's a yeah. Bro, I would score on him like 25.
अब आ तू. सिमियन. तू आ. मैं एलेक्स बेनिया से सोलो जाऊंगा.
Bro, you're so
एलेक्स
shit.
बेनिया की स्प्रिंट बहुत अच्छी.
You're so shit. You're so shit.
मुझे क्रॉस देना था. अगर मैं ये मैच हारा, I'll
Bro, show off is casting you on me. I have a better skill than you casting it on my
No,
Diaz.
you don't.
Yes, I do.
Diaz is the worst thing you can get. Out of,
Casting is the worst thing you can
no,
do.
you can't. That's
From the world's game, yeah. My brother says the best right back is Castangi.
Yeah, it's Cafu
It's Kafu, man.
and casting. Who's
It's
second?
Cafu.
Second?
Second, I don't know. First is Kafu.
क्योंकि
First is
क्योंकि
Cafu.
कैसे ना इसलिए second I don't know.
No, first is Kafu. I actually don't know. I'm ranking up my Musiala. I can't. I'll rank up one player which is not ranked up a single game. Hato.
Oh, Yurik.
Yeah, he has a
Should I come in my prime now?
No. Just chill. You play so bad.
Get ready, Ara fans.
Ara, if this goes on YouTube, you're using
Come on.
your aura.
Come on. Come on.
You don't got this.
Come on. My full ticket aka. Come on, Davis. You have the sprinting ability.
Okay, you should.
Bro's wasting time. Oh.
I'm playing FC
Oh.
Bayern Munchen right now. I need Michael Ollis.
Michael Olise.
I'm
Olive.
I'm gonna put it in the sentiment. Cause bro, my
Through. Davis, you got this. You have the sprinting ability. Perfect. No. You're gunda. Pasta by Davis.
So why are you playing so shit in front of this guy? He got Cristiano Ronaldo. I accepted that guy is a good player. But then, bro, you
Alex Benia, you
have
got this.
123 OVR.
Olise. Oilies.
Oh, Luis Diaz is playing.
Okay, fine. I just forfeited. I lost my honor.
Oh, you are
As if you're better.
No, yes I am.
Yeah, we played so many matches. I demolished him 6-1, 4-1.
I demolished you better. 4-1, I want 4-1, okay.
6-1 is better, bro. 4-1 I was not in my prime.
Definitely. We see
I'll play FC Bayern Munchen. Our draft, should I open it?
I have a draft. Should I open it? We'll open it together. Wait. We will open it together.
Juventus B also came.
We know, man.
I'm opening Juventus B.
Same here.
Moment of Muth.
Wait. 3, 2, 1. Damn.
Is that a walkout?
What should I get?
You
I'll
got-
walk out.
I have my brother Turkish
Yield this.
centre back.
Not good.
Centre back 119. Okay.
118 Barkada. Oh, damn.
That match expired. Okay, fine. I'll play FC Bayern Munchen.
Aram, I'm so lucky. Finally, I got a good centre back.
Markadi. No, Kalula is better. You can compare stats.
No.
You compare stats.
I got Colville. I can put it in except of him. Wait.
I'm almost done with the Olis.
I'm gonna compare it with Kalula.
I want this draft voucher. Please, I want this draft voucher. This Michael Olis and what do I want? And what do I want? And this 116 upper came here. Okay.
Bro, why do you want him?
Bro, I can sell him for shinings. Compare.
How is he better?
Caston.
Well, I at least got Barkadi.
Barkatsi. Oh, जब बाहर चले जाते हैं.
I'm playing it.
Yeah. Sprinting.
This FC Bayern Munchen penalty.
Yeah.
It's easy.
Yeah.
Bro, this is so easy. You lucky.
Sprint. Caston gave.
Angra Messi.
Let's go. Okay, no time.
Angra Messi. Angra Messi.
I do this every day. Almost.
Liar.
The pants are on fire.
I mean, I do every day.
I want Michael Olis.
Bro! Bro, why is he getting this shit ass free kick?
I'll open Eka.
W can't.
I was not open Eka.
That was a tiki pokati. What am I saying? Do you know? That's called tiki taka. Or that's not called tiki taka.
I have to score both if I want to win this.
That's called didi taka.
Let's go. अगर मैं want on one.
If you can't do it, I'm rage baiting. No, I'm rage.
I lost.
I'm a rage bait.
Then rage bait.
No. Where should I hit it? Shoot, dummy. Shoot, bro. What's up?
The middle one is the most easiest.
We know. So no need to tell.
अरे यार क्या है ये पागल सा?
Bro, why is it hitting the target?
2000. और यहाँ
Yes! Done!
Ooh.
I'm done with this.
Oh, you're done.
This one's like the thingies. If these two, if
Last time अगर मैंने ये
these two free kick thingy was not there, I would be so happy.
I'm raging. I raged.
I raged it 2 times, but then now I'm good.
दूसरी स्किल कर रहे हैं.
Yeah.
मैं तो हो गई हूँ.
I'm playing the match.
मैच.
Why does Barcardi look so weird?
अब सबसे ऊपर वाले.
Bro, Real
I got
Madrid
2
is
on
the
2.
best
I got
team.
2 on 2.
Real Madrid and FC, I mean,
I got 3 on 3. I got 3 on 3. I got 4 on 4.
no, you're not.
Wait, 1 sec. I got 4 on 4, bro.
Definitely.
That's bro. You can check on recording. I got 4 on 4.
Recording for FC history, man. Alulu, what you doing, huh? Barcardi.
तूने किसे निकाला?
How should we do this, Chitas?
बुलेट पास करनी आती है?
No,
सिखाऊं? क्या?
bro, I don't know how to use a bullet pass.
Should I teach
Why
you?
I bought?
Should I
Why
teach
I
you?
bought newer?
Should I teach you?
No,
No.
not now. Abey, just hold on me. How?
रियल मैड्रिड पे रूडी करा पता है?
We know, man.
ओह अलेक्जेंडर आर्नोल्ड भी.
Diaz, you bought this.
अबे like so dumb, he doesn't even know how to do bullet pass.
So do you.
I do. I can. I'll tell you. Okay, fine. I'll show you on the. Wait, 1 sec. I'll show you on the recording. Okay. Right now.
Bro,
Okay, fine.
If you have
This
the
is how
bullet
you do
pass
bullet pass. I showed them.
How?
I'm not showing you.
You don't even have the bullet pass ability.
Yeah, but I'm showing them how do you do if you have it. Because you're like, I don't know. That's what I'm telling.
Ferran Torres, you got this. No, you're not.
Finish. Yeah. Let's go.
Bro, how am I losing this match?
आइए.
Not like you. Abey,
Economy.
economy. Oh shit. You losing?
No.
Or you winning? I'm losing.
Because you're so bad. Bro, losing 2-1. Bro, considered a goal. Aye.
Because I don't know how to use a bullet pass.
You considered a goal. Aye. Oh, bro.
I play better than you. Bro, these people play better than you. If I start play with you right, I'm gonna be winning 6-1.
Joa Dedro.
Joao Pedro.
Jedro.
Bro,
Playing versus attack is new panoti for me.
what?
Playing versus attack is a new panoti. Because if I play versus attack, I lose every
Guys,
single
if
match.
you know the meaning of panoti, if you don't search on Google, you're gonna rage bait. It's such a bad meaning.
And true. Oh, Courtois ने क्या save करा? Real Madrid has Courtois.
We know that.
Sanchez, you got this.
You lost this.
ले हो गया. Courtois saved it. एक और corner.
Haaland. Okay, I know. I
Oh
know.
यार कलूला ने miss कर
I
दिया.
get it how to use a bullet pass.
कैसे?
Okay.
बता.
I'm gonna pass it to my goalie.
Holland. It's time for Africa.
How? Who can't use like that?
हाँ करो. No, that's not bullet pass. You don't know how to use bullet pass.
Barcardi, you got this. Oh! Oh, fuck.
Offside.
No, it was this side, okay.
Bro, so lucky.
Oh, no, I by mistake passed Mbappe. I thought it's my team. Because I'm France. Oh.
I'll do first match. Okay, let's see. Not bad.
Not good, man. Anchor points are not that good. Shit.
I'm done with the entire micro.
Bro, training transfer points.
अरे ये देख पूरा खत्म कर दिया बस ये नहीं मिला. कभी ना कभी तो मिलेगा ही.
अब तो
क्या पता वो अभी हो?
आया, shut up.
500 champions.
Yes. Lamine Yamal. There. Goal. Oh shit, not whoa. This guy got everything except the players. I got economy. You guys know, huh?
I'll sell.
Agar Mazy. Bro, you can't sell. Sell your this guy.
I'll show you.
Allison.
I'll show you
Yeah.
something. I'll show
मैं
you.
भागा
Look at my ranker points. Look at my ranker points. 2.5k. I'm saving them up.
That's not a lot.
2.5k. Bro has 67 and saying to me.
Bro.
has 67 ranker
Bro,
points.
I had 4,000. I spent the ball. I can get 4,000 right now.
Get it.
Okay, wait. Okay, wait. It's gonna take 3 matches. After that, look what I'm gonna do. Abey, go, yaar. I'm winning 3-1. You can't be talking. From Real Madrid. Real Madrid not आइए.
Was Mbappe. Courtois.
Pele,
Rudiger.
Maradona, Maldini,
Real
Romario.
Madrid is one of the most.
It's
No.
the best team. It's
Dribble.
the best squad. Hey, I'm winning 4-1. You can't be talking.
4
nigga.
1 second.
What do you say, huh?
I'm 123. Bro's 119. Okay.
Is Mbappe is the only player good in his team is Rohit
And
Costa.
Fa is also good.
This guy's
I
team
call
is
him
shit. Ah.
Pass it to Alex Benia.
Pele, Maradona, Maldini, Romario.
Is Foden better or Pedro Neto?
Pedro Neto.
I think I shouldn't have sold Foden.
Yes, you should. You're gonna get 1,500. You already got such a good camp. Musiala. Just imagine.
Foden is a right winger.
Stop! Oh, my bad. I took good, mama. Their name is kind of same, you know.
कुछ भी जो
He's good in good permanent actually. Looking fancy.
No.
Musiala. I'm winning 5-1.
Oh, Caston Nico.
I'm winning 5-1.
Bro, rage baited Caston आ गया कि क्या भाई? This is one of the most insane
I'm winning
things to record.
5-1. I'm winning 5-1.
This is one of the most insane things.
I
to
won 5-1. Dummy.
This was the most insane thing to record. Caston ने क्या सेव करा भाई? ओपन गोल था Caston ने आके सेव करा. ओ भाई क्या सेव था वो Caston से. That was the most unbelievable save. मुझे इतना समझ नहीं आ रहा सेव हुआ कैसे. That was so insane. Alex Benia, open. ले आजा भाई.
Arav, how do you got a golden ball? 1 draft or 10 draft?
I got it on one draft.
Same shit. I was like, man.
Offside.
wow.
भाई वापस ने गोल करा उसका ऑफसाइड निकला.
Pele, Maradona, Maldini. This thing is actually kind of hard. My brother probably should have lost it.
I won it on first try, you know.
Dummy. Stop lying. Bro, why is my menu playing? That guy's IA. I won 8,000.
अरे यार pass. Shoot.
Arav, give me best.
Oh क्या सो गोल था भाई पेड्रो. ये देख 3 save and then 1 goal. ये देख save 3 saves करा फिर एक गोल. By Pedro Neto.
I got 10 million coins. At
Second one. Let's see.
100 rank.
complete.
Shit. Please God, give me some goods.
100 rank up.
Bro, why
Alex
can't I
Benia's
do it?
amazing sprint. You guys
I
don't know.
need it. I got a Camino. I didn't get
2-0. I'm defeating him.
Bro, when
I
did
finished
get this?
max. I finished his full. It's Michael, except the Michael Olise.
Next you're gonna get Michael Olise.
No, I won't. I know.
Pele, Maradona, Maldini, Romario,
कल
Cristiano Ronaldo, Messi, Beckham, Kaká,
finally one goal by
Messi,
this guy.
Mbappe, Salah. Oe.
चट्टी दोए.
What do you say, huh?
मत कर.
He found a day.
Musiala.
Belong.
Pass.
He in this place.
Alex Benia
Goal
with
on.
one more goal.
You're a yeah. My brother.
Oh, ये क्या गोल था जो पेड्रो. Amazing.
Bro, play a match with me.
देख आज हाफ टाइम हुआ. सेकंड हाफ तक वेट कर. एक वर्सेस अटैक खेल ले तू.
Okay.
हेड टू हेड नहीं वर्सेस अटैक. जल्दी खेल लेकिन पहले शुरू हो जाएगा.
I'ma cook this guy badly.
Who can be world class 2 today? Was world class 3.
This guy. The guy got Nico Williams. 121.
You never know. There's no 121 Nico Williams. There's 119 only. JK.
You dumb.
You never.
Hey, when the heck I got Alex Benia in? No, bro, I'm not playing this one. Bro, Bro! I want to show off my ideas on him. No, I'm really...
First, wait kar mere liye, wait kar.
I'm gonna show off my ideas on him. That's what I wanna do.
3-2 bhai.
I'm gonna show off my ideas to
I
everyone.
consider 2 on him. I don't know how.
What's his OVL?
It's 118.
Bro, that's shit. That's shit.
These people who have 118 play really good.
If it's our
One example was me before. I used to be 118.
then you
Oh,
play here.
that was such a bad finish. That was
Finish.
very bad finish.
Finish or finish?
Finishing.
Finish and finish. Okay.
Arey bhai, are you dumb? Finishing.
Both, man.
I wonder how I missed it.
Really, Maradona, Maldini.
I'm never going to.
Diaz is my captain now? Bro, I feel bad for Lamine Yamal. Diaz looks weird right now in this FC. Bro, what does FC make their face like?
Arcadetta hates Diaz
Why?
because he pull him like every single draft.
Pele, Maradona, Maldini.
तो 3-3 लाइनअप क्यों रखते हैं? मैं सिर्फ सिंगल लाइनअप रखता हूँ ताकि कोई कंफ्यूजन ही ना हो. ये 2 लाइनअप मैं डिलीट कर दूँ?
I know how to.
कैसे करते हैं?
Pele, I'm gonna show off my Diaz on him. I'm gonna show off my Diaz on him. This guy's...
आशा वर्स अटैक मत खेल.
Abe, you just wait.
No,
My chances and his chances.
bro, equalized on me.
You're shit. You're so shit. This
No.
guy is Nico. I mean, what's that player? Nico Pass?
Nico Williams.
120?
Bro, equalized. Okay, now I have to show who I am.
Oh, this guy's team is actually kind of good. Mine is better.
Look, yeah, I have to go slowly, like dicks.
Bro, what you dumb? Guys, my brother's so sus.
No.
Bro, that would be the first.
No.
Who speaks like that?
How?
I scored on this game with my Diaz.
That was the best comeback. Pass shot kar.
Bam, bam, boom. This guy got 120, 120 newer. No, I mean the 118 one, but then ranked up 2 times. Such a far power shot save.
ओ भाई.
Bro, the skill ability I hate is GK Rush.
चल ठीक, आजा भाई. आयुष आजा खेलना.
After 52 seconds. 50 seconds. You just keep watching my match.
Finish.
This guy's winning from me? How? That's impossible.
तो हर बार पास शॉट करता है. आगे जा, फिनिश कर.
Okay, that's one of my... Bro, everyone's team I see has Kalulu. Bro, how are you winning?
तू पागल है क्या?
I'm winning. Oh no! Ball!
This is so funny to see Ayush rage. मैं रख रहा हूँ. ये रख रहा हूँ.
Bro, this guy, bro, this thing hit the ball.
Ayush is raging like hell. तो तू ट्राई कर सकता है, लेकिन अगर उसने हार गया तो.
Bro, this thing 2 times the ball.
I want to play a match with my brother. Bro, raged. Bro, maxed out raged. Bro, raged like hell.
Yeah, I want.
I'll send you.
1 second, I'm gonna do that. Please give me some goods. Please give me 1000 gems. Please.
Bro's addicted to rank up points.
Yeah.
आजा भाई, खेल ले.
Okay, my bad. Bro! Please don't be Alex Vinny in this game. Please don't be Alex Vinny in this game. What do you want extra time?
Is this guy Diaz?
Yeah.
He's so chopped.
Bro.
Bro's so chopped.
Bro, what is Oh, my attack is like better than you. My attack is better than you.
Midfield. Midfield इतना गंदा कब से?
No, because of the center mid, man. My cam got better, but the center mid got shit.
Oh.
Got team, but then got team, but better. We both have two 120s. One 120s. And one 119s. I got like 3.
आ जा भाई मेरा एलेक्स बेन यही तेरे लमीन पे थ्रो इन करेगा
or I lost badly. First time I got home on my brother.
पता है क्यों मैंने अवे चूज कर रखी है अपनी प्राइम किट चलिए
Prime? Who's that prime?
प्राइम
You're cooked. Pass to Diaz. Abbe!
लेट्स गो
Ask passing Diaz.
लेट्स गो
I'm a rage bait again. You know how badly I rage bait.
I'm a rage bait
Hey, remember that day in Abu Dhabi? I'm a rage bait. After every second, the admin abuse of
Mooner
I'm a gooner. Hey! Baka.
बस
Angara Messi. Angara Messi.
अंकरा मूनर
Angara gooner.
नहीं भाई आराम से लमीन आराम से लेट्स गो
No!
go should I come in my prime now
Should I come in my prime?
yeah come
Okay.
oi
No.
No.
Fernandes, you shit ass. No, you're not. Fernandes, you're not a shit ass. You're a really good guy. If you don't score on me.
pass
Nope. Joao Pedro. Good boy. Yeah.
corner
Corner for me.
me पागल है
Damn. Corner is like, man, we always score on corners.
Joao
Corners are easy.
तुझे कॉर्नर की ट्रिक नहीं पता मुझे
I know the trick. I scored many corners on it. Where's Diaz? Yeah. Angara Messi. Why am I going?
अंकरा चॉप कट
Bro, why are you saying like that? Don't make fun of Diaz. He's gonna come to
Bro.
us and cook you. What a dribble dummy. Oh, damn. What a flight. Davies, you broke my
what
leg.
a pass
Davies, you broke my leg.
एलेक्स बेनिया की स्प्रिंट बहुत अच्छी है
Better than Davies. Not like leg. Abbe, cross dummy.
अरे यार
Why don't you cross with him?
I
got the cross ability.
मूनर
Gunnar.
ये गोल है
Bro, why does Musiala look so weird in this?
अब
Hey, Gunnar Sanchez.
ले फर्नांड ओए यार ये हो गया पैब्रियल पारा
Baka.
Let's go.
It was half time, man.
when the referee is rigged
This time I'm actually rage baiting if something bad happens. Abu, bro.
ओह काला ओए भाग
Lameen.
भाग
If that's a foul, I'm rage baiting.
Oh, what a save! That was insane.
Bicycle, man.
That was an insane save, right? यहाँ से
Left of the corner.
ये क्या था?
Abbe, someone stop moving.
ठीक है भाई पता था मैंने बचा ली क्योंकि मुझे पता चल गया था
Gunnar Rashid.
मुझे वाला स्प्रिंट हाँ जी
What you say, huh?
I said
Musiala
okay.
is gonna cook you. Oh!
Who cooked you?
Harrison.
तो ये चिप करना था भाई
Bro, I don't know how to do chip properly. You got Pedro net, so that's a good thing.
ओ तू जी क्रैश नहीं करता कभी भी न्यूअर ने अच्छा सेव करा मूनर
But he's good.
ओए ये कौन है मूनर तू अच्छा खेल रहा है 1-0 वो तो पहले 6-1 हराता था
मैं भी जिसको पहले 4-1 हारा था.
अभी 2-1 हराऊंगा
अब तू अच्छा खेल रहा है.
यहाँ से फिनिश
2-1 हराने वाला है.
न्यूअर
You are shit. Today you are playing so good. Newer, what happened to you today?
मुझे वाला ओए फाउल
Not a foul.
फाउल
Hey, Baka.
ओए ये क्या हो रहा है
I don't know, dummy.
तेरे गोल के बिल्कुल पास नहीं
Yo, bad.
डोंट इक्वलाइज इट डोंट इक्वलाइज
Davies, don't do your skill.
No आयुष no लेट्स
No.
गो
Shoot it, yes.
लेट्स गो
I wish you had Khan.
Allison should be the man of the match bro
Yes. Bro, what's wrong? What's wrong on the last second?
2-0 imagine
I'm gonna I'm a cook.
2-0. Imagine.
Never versus attack. I'll show you how.
No versus attack. I don't
Versus
like,
attack.
I don't
Come
like
versus
it.
attack.
Yeah,
I'm gonna go easy. Come versus
I'm
attack.
okay. Fine, go hard. I'm FC champion. You know, in versus attack.
Come. I don't give a shit. Come.
Opponent disconnected, bro. Bro, rage.
No, I didn't disconnect it. My connection got lost.
Bro, rage baited. See this.
My connection got lost. Okay. I'm still watching. Bro, how Joe Pedro?
It should be Allison. It should
Yes,
be
it
Allison.
should be.
It's not Joe. Instead of Joe Pedro.
You are in lucky. You are in Real Madrid. I'm in अपना भैया. Which is shit.
भाई कितना ग्लिच होता है ये. इसके साथ वर्स अटैक खेलना तो.
You wanna play?
Yeah. Okay. Come on.
I agreed. I'm agreed. This time I'm gonna cook you badly.
As if 2-0.
Bro,
Chopped.
why does Diaz look so weird?
He's chopped. He's not weird.
No, bro. My attack is better than you.
Less everything. I'll make my attack better. Okay. अभी मैं same कर दूँगा attack. मैं भाई 3000 rank का points है. I'll
Now
say
see. I'm gonna go Ronaldo to 2009.
I'm Ronaldo 2008 when he was in his best prime.
Bro, 2009 is better.
No.
You can't be talking.
Come on, boy.
Wait. You love Messi, right? Ball already M. Bro, Musiala.
Kala.
Yes.
Already? No.
Oh,
Not off.
yeah, I forever off.
Oh, you have off.
Too dumb. Bro, I hate when someone passes to me here. Then I get cooked. Look. If you don't cross it, you're dumb. Yeah, duh, you're not.
No. Oi.
Diaz, you got this? Bam.
Castin.
Casting is
Sanchez.
Hey, that's a foul. Red card, dummy.
डियास को मिला लेकिन कोई कार्ड नहीं है.
Abe, how?
कोई भी कार्ड नहीं है.
When referee is rigged.
हैं?
Abe, I passed it to the player.
भाई
नहीं. Abe,
एलेक्स बेनिया.
if you don't cross it, you're dumb. This guy's no, yes you are dumb. Yeah, you are dumb.
1-0.
You should have
Cross.
crossed it. Mommy, wait. Tada boom. Tada boom. Tada boom. Tada. Oh, hey, bro.
Oh, Diaz, what an amazing sprint.
Bro. He does not have the sprint ability. He has the rapid ability. Yeah, and pass. Musiala. Yeah.
नहीं ऑफ है. Let's go. शांत. ओम शांति है मायना मैं. ओम शांति.
I'm gonna be quiet. I'm not gonna rage bait.
You will have to.
If it makes me rage bait, then you know how bad I am rage bait.
अरे ये कौन है ये कलूला?
Bro, you have it in your team. Boat 120 is rage baiting.
Was the only player in my team which has no skill.
Who?
Kalula.
Alulu.
Kalula.
Bro, what's wrong with my ass? Bro! Get your bar card in.
I sold him.
Bro, you dumb.
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. Shoot. What a save. What a save.
Good save.
Muir is on top. You guys know.
जोपेटो की हाइट छोटी है.
Next half you see. Next half you see, okay. Next
half 2-0 है ना?
Next half where Musiala गया. Kamarov, Tata boom. Kamarov, Tata boom. Kamarov, Tata boom. Oi! Musiala, don't make my aura lose. You're 119.
Sprint.
I sold my 119 wouldn't have gone for you. And bro,
Next half 2-0.
this two, you're gonna go to penalties. Diaz, you got this. Tata boom.
Diaz left wing है.
You know that. If he was right wing, I was rage waiting.
Why?
Bro, I
Oh.
already got good one.
So your left wing is also good. Alex Benia.
I will keep. I mean, my left wing is not that.
एलेक्स मैंने बेच देना.
Bro, I can't.
मैं बेच.
Bro, what's wrong with you?
एलेक्स बेनिया मिनियोर.
Minion, what are you doing?
जो पेड्रो. एलेक्स
I
बेनिया
got you
आगे
for-
जा. आगे जा.
If you don't cross, you're done. I'm actually not late. You're done.
Okay, I'm done. I'm done. I'm done.
No, this half is gonna be 3-3.
मुझे लगा 2-0 लेकिन जो 3-0 हार रहा. जब से
Now let's see. Tada boom, bada boom, bam. Lamine. I'm gonna do tiki taka. Bro, these people. This guy's defending is good. That's why I'm losing. Move your Alisson out of shit. Get your Khan in, then I'm gonna cook you.
should I get him?
Yeah.
फिर मैं सब ना अब तो क्या फायदा, अब तो बस ही हार गया तू.
No, I'm not.
Torres.
Please a goal. Yeah.
Fine, 3-1.
Finally.
Skip कर लेके.
Wait, no, I want to shoot the goal. Hey, अबे my phone.
ऐसे skip. तो guys चलो.
अब no. अबे come on in.
मैच डिस्प्ले हो जाएगा, खत्म हो जाएगा फिर. खत्म होने ओ बच गया. नहीं, don't equalize.
Lamine, please.
Don't.
Lamine. Please don't make me rage with him. Yes.
No. Last 3 seconds.
Yes.
Don't. तो टाइम वेस्ट कर अपना खुद का. टाइम वेस्ट होगा. कर नहीं करना टाइम वेस्ट.
Yes,
मैं टाइम
please.
वेस्ट. नहीं.
Yes, please.
नहीं. इधर ला.
Please give extra time. Please give extra time, ref. Ref, please give extra time. Ref.
Let's go.
No, ref, I hate you.
तो गाइस चलो अभी के लिए इतना ही. तब
तब तक के लिए bye.